Okay, our number of the day today is the number 5. We're going to count and clap to the number 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Everybody point to the number 5 like this. Great job pointing to the number 5. Let's practice tracing our number 5. So we have our red dot right here. We're going to start there, and we are going to do a straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. One more time, we're going to start at the red dot. We're going to do a straight line down, then around, hat on top, and 5's a clown. Great job.